Today I'm going to check the friction pads because it was starting to squeal a bit, and it also, yeah, it's just has to be safe with the coupling. Well, there they are. So it's almost like they've picked up a layer of something. My tow bar is actually quite rusty. I had to swap tow bars to fit this Caravan on, and it's always been a bit rusty, but I don't know if it's good for these friction pads. Better to be safe. So since I'm getting the pads and I have to pay for shipping anyway, because this company's in the South Island, I thought I'd get the lid for the fresh water that broke just a week ago, and then I've got all these scratches on my windows, so they've got a product that apparently removes the scratches, and then I've got a streak remover product as well, because I've given it a go in the past and it's semi-removed, but it just, my Caravan exterior I think is starting to look a little tired, so yeah, I'm gonna look after it a little bit more. And then basically within the first month or two of buying this Caravan, the door latch that keeps the door open broke a little bit. So it works fine, but every single time I go to close the door I look at this broken latch and keep thinking I should get one. This is the new door mechanism, and tiny package, these are the new friction pads for in the coupling. So this is the right size for the reflector that fell off. This is handy, it's got a sticker option. I just got out my tiny super glue kit, but I might not need it. I've got a second one as a backup. Doesn't quite fit in there. Oh, I see. I think I need to pry this off first, which doesn't look like it'll be too hard. One task down, and I know the Caravan is a bit grotty at the front. It is looking better, but there's still little bits of tar, I think, from roadworks. After a while, you get black marks down on either side of the window. I think it's from the plastic that seals the window, it just leaves a mark after a while. Well, today I thought I'd put in the new door lock. The instructions that come with it seem to be for if you're not replacing one, but if you're putting in something that didn't exist before, so I don't know, see how I go. Well, got the side off, and in theory this one might be a little harder to get off. It's sealed on. Well, I might need a quick trip to Mitre 10 and get some more of this. Whatever it is, I might take this with me and ask. Say it might be sealant. Guess it's to keep the water out. Good thing I got the awning, so even if it starts raining while I'm away, no water's gonna get in. And this is the new one. Now I'll just replace this other one. Okay, I'm gonna admit defeat. I don't know. I'm worried that I'm gonna destroy the grooves on the screw. So I'm gonna leave it and maybe see if someone at this campground knows of a way to get it out. Yes.
Yeah, there he is.
That's awesome. Slightly different colours, aren't they? Okay, in the moment of truth, does it still work? Yes! And it looks so much nicer than the old one. I've got the new friction pads. I'll put them in today. You can just see that there's no... I should actually compare them. You can see this one's quite worn away. There is a lot of difference between the two. So I'm really happy with all the stuff I've managed to fix. It's a good list. There are a few more things to do. I need to figure out how to change the water flap, so that's still on the to-do list, but I'm actually feeling like the list is shrinking now. Like, a good feeling. I'd like to thank my patrons, Alan, Pauline, Dennis, Luther, David and Matthew, and all my other patrons. Thank you, I really appreciate your help. And my latest addition to Patreon is a map of New Zealand with all the campgrounds I've been to and my thoughts.